I currently run 2 monetized channels, both have garnered hundreds of thousands of views, making me thousands of dollars of passive income on YouTube. Between the 2 channels, I have over 40,000 subscribers. There are millions of people doing this exact same thing and making businesses out of their YouTube channels, allowing them to kick back on a beach as the money rolls in. Kind of. Here's how you can do the same with just $20 and a laptop. Step 1. Find a topic you are either really good at, spend a lot of time doing, or always wanted to learn more about. It doesn't have to be anything specific, and you don't need to be an expert, but you should pick something that you can work on for a long period of time without worrying about that ultimate goal. The real trick is to figure out what type of content you spend the most time online consuming. What you watch the most is likely what you are interested in the most, so choose that. I spent a lot of my life playing video games, going to wrestling practice, and later coaching. One of my channels is centered around a hobby I've always enjoyed, and the other is centered around something I have a gross amount of knowledge in. Whatever you do, don't make a gaming channel. The money there sucks. The amount of ad revenue you make on YouTube is directly correlated to the type of content you create. The viewers dictate the ads. Viewers who have the most money to spend are where the most expensive ads will be shown. So videos about making money, finance, and investing have insane ad earnings, while videos about gaming will not. Once you pick your general topic, it's time to niche down. It's easiest to understand with gaming. General gaming content is unlikely to build a meaningful audience. First, choose one single game and concentrate on that, then niche down even harder. Create content that is specifically tailored to one type of audience within the game of your choice. Take Minecraft, for example. It has people interested in elaborate builds, people that like glitches and cool mechanics, people interested in survival runs, and on it goes. Stick to one lane. When you start to get traction, slowly branch out. The same concept can be applied to any other niche on YouTube. Step 2. Plan and script your video. Create a general outline of what your video story will look like. Don't wait to do it later, do it now. Make a bunch of bullet points and then fill in the gaps. Creative writing skills that you learned in school will really help with this, but try to create a storyline to keep your viewers hooked. A beginning, a middle, and an end. There should be tension, stakes involved. Create a payoff for the viewers to feel satisfied once they're done watching the video. Give them a reason to keep going if they're in the middle. Retention time is important. Keep the pacing fast, and whatever you do, don't be boring. You want viewers to watch your video and walk away happy. YouTube's algorithm will always strive to reward viewer satisfaction so they can keep people on their site. Concentrate on satisfying viewers and you'll win in the end. Step 3. Get some video editing software. This is where that $20 will come in handy. If you're a student, you can get Adobe Creative Suite that has After Effects and Premiere Pro to help edit videos. If you're not a student, it's $50 a month, which is super worth it. It also has Photoshop and Illustrator to help with thumbnails, but more on that later. Honestly, there are a bunch of free options that will probably do fine. Once you have the editing software, you'll need to learn how to use them. Buying courses on editing programs isn't necessary. You can find all of the information you need on Google or YouTube. Step 4. Record your voiceover. Any $50 microphone will sound great, but if you don't want to spend any more money, your smartphone will probably do just fine. Find a quiet space, speak with confidence. Act like you've done it before. Don't drone off, don't be monotone, don't speak too slowly. Add inflections into your voice as if you're voicing a cartoon character. Just don't get all cartoony with it. Have fun with it. You can always go back and edit out mistakes later. A video camera isn't needed and is often distracting, so unless you're building a personal brand or your channel is based on real life situations, don't waste money on this. Step 5. Edit your video. Pacing is important as well as injecting personality. Don't skimp on the editing. This should take you a while. Edit out any gaps of noise, any breaths you took while recording your voiceover. Your voice should be a constant overarching force in your video, unless you're taking a break for dramatic effect. There are lots of great resources online to find interesting B-roll for free where you can download clips to use to your heart's content. Make a cut about every 5 seconds and keep the video short and succinct. Only include information that is needed to drive the point of the video home. Use text to your advantage, especially at the beginning of the video. And always keep things moving. Remove the fluff, it's not needed and will reduce watch time. Don't forget music and sound effects. They can take a boring video and make it amazing. A great YouTuber once said, YouTube is exponential. It's much easier to make one video that gets hundreds of thousands of views than 100 videos that get 1,000. Quality over quantity. Quality will always win over time. Step 6. Make a thumbnail. Keep the thumbnail focused and to the point. Limit yourself to 3 to 5 elements. Don't put too much in it. The thumbnail should be able to tell a story without literally spelling out the story. Most of the time, people are looking at these thumbnails in a very small format, so they should be easily understood when shrunk down. Arrows are fine. Limit text usage. Your thumbnail should stand out, but look similar enough to other videos within your niche. It's okay to copy a little of what others are doing. Step 7. Make a good title. Keep it under 50 characters. You should be able to quickly explain your video without it trailing off the page and going into ellipse hell. Keep it vague if possible. You want to create intrigue, interest, emotion with as few words as possible. If you give away the answer, you remove the need to watch the video. The thumbnail and title get people to click your video. That's 90% of the battle, so don't rush this. You can be a little clickbaity, just make sure viewers will enjoy what they were baited into and the point of the video is close enough to the clickbait that they are satisfied with their decision. Prioritize viewer satisfaction. There is no cheat code to this thing. Step 8. Publish your video. Upload it to YouTube. Now you can sit back and watch the money roll in. Not really, lots to do. Moving on. Step 9. Keep publishing videos. Learn everything you can from your last video and strive to make the next one better. There are many areas to improve within all of these steps. Look at your analytics a tiny bit and then move on. Don't waste all day looking at analytics. Stop it. Stop it now. Paralysis by analysis is dangerous. It's a trap. Trust me, it's not worth it. Instead, spend time getting better at your craft. Quality over quantity. Have I said quality over quantity? Quality over quantity. After you reach 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time, you'll be able to sign up for YouTube monetization, which opens up YouTube ads. Then you'll start making money off of your views. Don't want to wait for YouTube monetization? That's fine. There are many other ways to profit off of your content before you get big. Let's go over a couple now. Step 10. Affiliate links. This works really well for channels that review products, but any channel can benefit from recommending a certain product and linking to them with affiliate links. If you're doing a review, then people are looking to you for their purchase decision, and you can send them in the right direction and get a little bit back for your efforts. If a video of this blows up, you can make quite a bit of money. It only takes one. Some channels make more money with affiliate links than they do from anything else. Step 11. Get sponsorships. Have you ever heard a YouTube video go something like, and today our sponsor is Raid Shadow Legends and blah blah blah? Well, those are sponsorships. They can be worth much more money than ad revenue. When your channel is big enough, companies will reach out. Just make sure you negotiate and vet the company. Plenty of those emails are shifty, so do your homework. Step 12. Connect with other YouTubers. Connecting with others in your space can open up opportunities for collaborations. Just don't be needy with it. Honestly, don't even ask for it. Add value to creators you enjoy, and those you really want to connect with will reach out. Let the opportunities come up organically or not at all. Knowing others in the space can be a great source of information because they're trying to do exactly what you are. They can give you guidance as to getting sponsorships, and you can bounce ideas off of each other. Step 13. Invest money back into your channel. There are a lot of ways you can delegate tasks and pay people to do things that you don't enjoy or don't have the time for. Bigger YouTubers have an entire team surrounding them, and even smaller ones have a full-time editor on board to help them with the tedious tasks. You can find people on Fiverr or similar websites to make thumbnails, record voiceovers, edit videos, even write scripts for you. If you go crazy with all of this, you start wandering into YouTube automation territory. And that's a scary place. I'll explain later. In the meantime, I wish you luck on turning your not so much money into a lot more money. If you do this right and you find out you really enjoy it, you'll be doing it for the rest of your life. So don't stress yourself out.